What's up, my beautiful people? It's your girl. Wanted to give you guys a quick tip on why a lot of women, or a lot of people in general, are having a hard time reaching their fitness goal. A lot of people, once they decide to start a healthy meal plan, they're pretty much very mindful on what it is that they're eating. But a lot of people are not mindful on what it is that they're drinking. A lot of people are gaining weight not because of what they eat, but because of what they drink. They're drinking up most of their calories, and most of their sugar intake comes from what they're drinking, like soda, juices that are filled with sugar. So I want you guys to do something from now on. From now on, switch all your juices, all of your sodas for water. Water is going to help you not only nourish your body properly, have everything working the right way, but it's also going to help nourish those muscles. So from now on, what I want you guys to do is just have water. And for those of you out there that are like, Sam, I really want something sweet, or it's really hard for me to have dinner with water, let's do this. How about you have either one soda or one juice when you have dinner or when you have lunch? And eventually you're going to be able to wing off of the juice, wing off of the soda, and you're going to only have water. Why? Because when you start giving your body enough water, it's going to ask you for more water. So guys, let's do this starting today, and you're going to see a huge difference in your clothes, in the way you look, and in the way you feel.